So I built this app basically to track our grocery shopping in every month. It's called Grok Track. And just to get started with, but the idea is that like eventually we can also make use of this data to to plan our diets, maybe like change our meal plans from one to another and things like that. So maybe just to show you the demo, I'm gonna share my screen. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen now. Can somebody confirm? Can you see my screen?
Can see the screen. I'm seeing myself. So yeah, can see it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the dashboard, the website version of it, and I've been using this for last couple of maybe about a week now, and I myself like we set our budget as 500 euro per month, which I also can like change that in the settings, but I'm going to be showing that later on. But this basically the dashboard shows how much I spent so far and what's my budget is, and then what are the items I um, spent my money on, and on each day basis, like how many euros I spent. I'm based in Germany, so it's in euro for now. Yeah, things like that. But then like I have a PWA version of this which I can use in my phone. Do you guys? Okay, so as you can see now, my monthly budget so far I spent like 109 euro. I'm just reloading it. Yeah, it's the same. I'm going to be like just to show you live. I'm going to be like scanning a receipt which I did a purchase this evening. Okay, let me open my mobile PWA on my mobile where I installed it, and I'm going to scan it. Please bear with me a second. Okay, maybe before that, I can also show you the history where I can see like on a daily basis, like Rewe is basically a supermarket based in Germany, and these are the items I bought on day-to-day basis on each days, things like that. So as you can see, as of for today, I haven't uploaded any or scanned any receipt yet, so I'm going to be doing that right away. I just opened it. There's a bit of a lighting problem, but let's see if it can read it. I'm going back to my dashboard. It's still analyzing it. Unfortunately, I can't share my phone screen, but you got to be just with me. It's yeah, it just did you guys notice it just updated it even without I reload the end screen? And I can confirm that looking at the history. There's a supermarket named Babu, and these are the item well, of course, the item names are in German, but these are the items which I brought today, and the AI can categorize them. It belongs to like which category and things like that. And I can also see that in the dashboard, today's date, it's 10 euro today, um, things like that. And when it comes to tech stack, I used, okay, so all of this I built in an evening as an evening project. Like I used Google AI Studio. I gave it my initial idea, but then like it didn't generate it in a single prompt, but I had to, I have to take care of certain things, especially the security part, and had to make a bit of brainstorming with it to choose the authentication part and to choose which database to use. Um, and when I gave this requirement, it automatically suggested to use like, Google Gemini, a Flash model for this. That's what I'm using it. And on the implementation side, a bit of a structured output and things like that, which I had to make use of it. Um, and uh, and the good thing is also I directly was able to deploy it from Google AI Studio into Cloud Run. So the entire thing is running as a Cloud Run service. Um, and yeah, and maybe also to show you, like I can actually log in with my Google account. Anybody can do it, whoever has this link. But then that's problematic, right? Because if somebody get this link, anybody can make use of my data, my app, and consume my Gemini um, credit balance and things like that. So I wanted to prevent that. So what I did was I'm just trying to show you maybe to log in with a different email address, and I can still do login, but I'm preventing use it. And yeah, they got to be contact in contact with me if they wanted to, actually make use of my app. I'm preventing that. Like I had a security rule defined in Firebase Firestore rule, uh, custom rule site. Like that's where like I've defined a whitelist um, email addresses. Like if somebody wanted to make use of my app, they got to be in contact with me and then ask me. By the way, my wife also uses the same app, so in order for her to approve, in order for uh, me to give her approval, like she had to contact me first, and I had to add her in the Firebase database. So this is basically the database side, but on the authentication side, yeah, her name is Aishwarya, so this is where I gave her the approval. Yeah, so that's pretty much.